So we got this A03 2007. Somebody diagnosed it already. Got this Misfire. It's quite common on the LDs. That's what it's doing. It's got check engine light on and all that good stuff. Sounds a bit lumpy. Somebody's apparently said there's a misfire in 4. We're gonna change the ignition coils and the spark plugs. Basically what we're gonna do, we're just gonna we've got the little push tab that you need to push back, and then that's the release for the plug. If you do that on all of them, this one's already missing, somebody's broken it, and then that one and then that one, then that should release the loom, and then you should be able to get the coil packs out, and then plugs is just plugs. See where it's best positioned. I'm not sure if I'll be able to get good footage of this. It's not really for you, it's more for the customer. Let's hope we're not going to break any of these tabs. So that one's off slightly. That one's broken, so it should just slide off. Oh, number 4. Stay like that. So there's 1, there's 2, 3, 4 is trying to be a bit sticky. So you release the plugs, do them all at the same time and it just slides off. And you want to find a place to pry the coil pack, and they should come out. Apparently it's number 4 that's the issue. It feels a bit studious. Hence why I have my magic spray. Not too recently, no. Then spark plugs, you'll need a spark plug socket. This one's Halford's Advanced 10mm. Not sure where the 10mm is, but you get a smaller one. I think usually they're 16mm, then you get a 14mm. These ones are 16mm. And yeah, just whip out the plugs. And then obviously replacement is reverser removal. It's not advised to use an impact tool to take the plugs out. Use your hands, use a hand tool or a ratchet similar to this, because obviously it is pretty much a mix of both. If you want to, that's what you want. If it's a very well, if the car's good, like it's well responsive, it should just take the engine management light off itself. Once the car's detected that it's no longer got the misfire, Sometimes you need a computer to rescan it and clear the codes. So yeah, that's the old ones out, and we're going to put in the new ones. So I'm going to pause it. I'm going to go and get a little bit of white grease, because I like to put a little bit of grease on my coils before I put them in. It just makes them a lot easier to release for the next person, for the next time you want to take them out. I'm going to pause for this. Oh, this is clear grease. This was not what I wanted to get, but anyway, this will do. And these are the new coils. Can't go wrong with Bosch. Pretty much OEM when it comes to the German brands. Dare I even say, oh, what a clown. Are these even the right ones? Alright, they look slightly different. So dare I say, I believe VAG may even use Bosch. Just a little spray, just like that. Not too much. Let's get the plugs in first, of course. I did not buy any of these parts. I'm not saying there's anything wrong with the parts that have been bought, I'm just saying. But yeah, I'm quite sure that if you go to the dealership or whatever to get the actual original genuine brand, I'm quite sure they'll also be using Bosch. Actually, I've got an original right here, and I should be able to confirm it. Well, I can't see it saying Bosch anywhere. It does say VAG though. Get the new plugs in. Now you definitely want to run the plugs in with your hands first. You cross thread the plug inside the bore and it's not going to be a good day. For you. Man like Papa Ali, you telling me? Bro, man was looking for you just
now. What are you doing with this?
What does he look like?
You're recording?
Yeah, bro.
What do you do? You got a YouTube channel?
No. That's everything on YouTube. Is YouTube the only form of media?
But be simple at the same time. Yo, nah. Why is it as soon as you come in the house, you gotta run and turn the TV and the radio on, huh? Is you scared of your own thoughts? Are you afraid to deal with yourself? Yeah, people don't wanna think no more. Eternal life is a room in Jesus.
Alright, cool, all the plugs are in. All nice and tight. Careful you don't over tight them. So you wait till it meets and then you only just do it about a quarter turn. Get these coils in. That's one. In fact, I think these ones have got slight grease on them already. Yeah, see, so it's not just me. Come pre-greased. I've been using clear grease all that time, thinking I was using white grease. Then you just want to slap all the plugs on at the same time. They all just slide in together. Push them on until they clip into place. Might not hear a noise, but you should know when they're in. Like I say, one of them is off anyway, so that one's just gonna pretty much sit there. You need to stay where you are. Alright, cool. So once that's in, nothing over than starting the key and seeing what we've had. As you can see, they've all been replaced, 1, 2, 3 and 4, or 1, 4, 3, 2 and 1. So let's see if that was the issue and the solution. Let's see if the engine management light turns itself off. Which was a good confirmation. Better already when you're revved up. Nope, it's missing its pants off. So that was unfortunate for Mr. Diagnostics person. So we're gonna go scan the vehicle and then we're gonna see what we find. Give me a sec, I'm making a video. Yeah, listen, so as we just plugged this into the computer. We're gonna do a quick health check. Yeah, go on, it's loading. I paused it.
To the graffiti on the wall, predicting the fall of Babylon. I feel the pain of a nation, pleasure of sin brings elation. I watch the book of Revelation unfolding before our eyes. Lies televised.
I didn't actually know I was still recording. I thought my video got interrupted, but anyway, we've scanned the vehicle now. It's still scanning it. It's taking its time. Obviously, you've got loads of faults. It's not a new car, is it? It's 2007, which makes it what, 13 years old or something like that. Intake manifold runner, all of these complex stuff. Help anybody, does anyone have any information on these things? So we've got a random mode for Misfire. We just changed all the coils. We've got one in cylinder 1 and 2, so yeah, this guy's head needs to come off, which is extremely unfortunate. We're going to clear this. Let's clear that again just for the sake of it, and then we'll come out, we'll exit out. There comes the customer, which is 9. I was hoping to finish. I was hoping to finish before you got here. No, it doesn't still.